Hi and welcome back. So you may know this is the first long form video I've uploaded in about 2 weeks. Unfortunately, about 2 weeks ago, I had my Gmail account hacked, which meant I also lost access to my longevity experiment YouTube channel. Now I searched back then, the internet to see how I could reclaim it. There's obviously numerous YouTube videos explaining how to do it. None of them really were that helpful. So I turned to AI. It said to contact the YouTube team on X, that's formerly Twitter. Now, some of the YouTube videos I looked at did say that this was possible. They also said that YouTube very rarely replies to these kind of messages. And even if they do, it can take anywhere from 1 month to 3 months to actually get the channel back. So I messaged them on X and I waited. Now, I wasn't going to put all my eggs in one basket. So I started to prepare everything I needed to start another YouTube channel. But kudos to the YouTube team on X. They replied to my post in probably less than 20 to 48 hours. And they said they'd sent me a direct message. So I checked and they had. They asked me a few questions and then they sent me a hacked channel request questionnaire. It took about 5 days all in all for them to confirm my account had indeed been hacked. And then they disabled it, which meant the hackers couldn't get into it either. There were a number of other interactions with the YouTube team, as well as with the Google team, who were working behind the scenes to get my Gmail account reinstated also. Now, a few days later, so that's 7 or 8, maybe 9 days since I sent the initial message on X, they sent me a link to my email and asked me to change the password. Once I'd done that, I then had full access to my email and also to my YouTube channel. So normal service has been resumed and I'll start posting on this longevity experiment channel probably again this Saturday.